So Sora 2 has been out for a few weeks, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with it. I'll break down 4 specific ways to make money online using Sora 2, and I'll walk you through each step so you understand how these methods actually work. Let's dive in. The first way, and my personal favorite, is affiliate marketing. This is something I've been doing for years, and I've made consistent income with it because the model is simple. You find an offer to promote, something like a digital course, a physical product, a supplement, and you get paid a commission every time someone buys through your link. You don't have to create your own product. You don't handle customer support. You just earn a cut of the sale. Now here's where Sora 2 changes the game. Back in the day, creating content to promote affiliate offers was time consuming and expensive. You'd either have to film yourself or pay someone else to make the ads. Now you can use Sora 2 to create AI generated UGC videos, content that looks and feels real without ever being on camera. Let me give you a quick example. If you go to clickbank.com, you'll find thousands of affiliate offers. After signing up, go to the top offers section. These are products that are already proven to sell, and most of them do really well on Facebook or Google Ads. You'll notice a few key stats. Gravity, which shows how many affiliates have made at least one sale recently, average commission, which tells you how much you'll earn per sale, and earnings per click, or EPC, which helps you compare potential profit. Once you find an offer you like, grab your affiliate link, then go to Sora 2 and start generating short UGC style video ads. These can be realistic product demonstrations, testimonials, or lifestyle clips. Post those videos to TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts and drive traffic straight to your affiliate link. That's how you start earning commissions fast, with zero product creation and content built entirely with AI. The second method is dropshipping, and this one's been proven to work for years. It's not my preferred method of making money, but what's wild is how much easier Sora 2 makes it. Here's how dropshipping works. You set up an online store, usually on Shopify. You list a product you don't physically own, and when someone buys it, you order it from a supplier like AliExpress. The supplier ships it directly to your customer, and you keep the profit in between. Margins usually range from 20 to 40%. Now, back in the old days, if you wanted to test a product, you'd have to actually buy it, film the video yourself, or pay someone to create a promo. That meant spending thousands before you even knew if the product would sell. With Sora 2, you can create hundreds of product videos in minutes. You can test different hooks, different backgrounds, different people, and find your winning ad for a fraction of what it used to cost. That means faster testing, faster results, and a much higher chance of success. So if you ever wanted to try dropshipping, Sora 2 makes it one of the easiest times in history to start. The third way is freelancing. If you don't want to sell your own product or build a store, you can simply use Sora 2 to create videos for other people and get paid for it. Go to Fiverr or Upwork, search AI video creation or AI commercials, and you'll see creators charging anywhere from $50 to $500 per video. They're offering services like cinematic AI ads, product videos, and branded content. You can easily do the same thing with Sora 2. Learn how to use the tool, create a few samples, and upload your gigs. Once people see what you can create, you'll start landing clients who need content for their businesses. This one's simple, beginner friendly, and it's one of the fastest ways to start making money with Sora 2, even if you're brand new. The fourth method, and the one that's exploding right now, is TikTok Shop. Here's how it works. Brands upload their products directly to TikTok Shop, and as a creator, you can promote those products in your videos and earn commissions for every sale you generate. It's basically affiliate marketing, but built right into TikTok. You can also take the other side of it. Be the one uploading your own products and let other creators promote them for you. Now here's where Sora 2 comes in handy. You can use it to make short, high quality UGC style TikToks to promote trending products. Go to a site like Calidata. It shows you what's currently blowing up on TikTok shops. Find the top performing items, look at the best performing videos, and recreate similar styles using Sora 2. Upload those videos to TikTok, add your affiliate link, and start earning from the sales. It's fast, it's scalable, and it's all powered by AI. So those are 4 proven ways to make money online using Sora 2: affiliate marketing, dropshipping, freelancing, and TikTok shop. The opportunity right now is massive because we're at the very beginning of AI generated content, changing how people create, sell, and earn money online. Start with one method, learn the basics, and then scale up. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.